Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over our daily breakdown as usual, starting off with JPX. So if we take a look on the daily, if we take a look at the daily, we can see the bulls are kicking in. The bulls are now in control of JPX. As you can see, today's candle, a solid bullish momentum. If we go to the lower time frames, the 4 hours, we can see this range was just bound to end, like the ending diagonal pattern, the loss in momentum, the dojis. It was a clear sign that the bears are losing momentum and the bulls took over. Now, how am I anticipating for this pair to keep on playing out? Obviously, yesterday I said this is what I was anticipating, and it did play out. So I was anticipating to see prices break above here, give me a retest, and then pump until, was it here? Something like that, because this was the high I was looking at. Now, prices did exactly that, right? Price did exactly that, pumped all the way until up here. Yesterday, the structure I placed was here. Today I moved it up here. Now, prices did exactly that. So what I'm anticipating to see today is we can see prices have broken, given us a retest here on this broken structure. So I'm anticipating to see prices, to keep on pushing higher. So let's see how the Fibonacci is playing out right now. Okay, so prices didn't really tap the 0.5, but I believe the 0.3 will have been taken out, obviously, as you can see. Now, I obviously understand prices are bullish in this one, right? Prices are bullish, undoubtedly, but I don't really like the way this formation is, right? So like it's a impulsive move, a little bit of range. Obviously, we might get a continuation out of it, but I don't really like the formation, so I'm not going to take the trade with it. You can see on CAD JPY. So you see on CAD JPY yesterday, I said I'm expecting to see a retracement and then a pump. That's what happened. The move happened during the Asian session. That's why we call the trades. Now, I don't like the formation because prices, for instance, for us to take the trade, anticipating that JPY will keep on being bullish, we'll need to sell here. But how can you sell while there's a structure, there's a resistance structure just below? I don't like that. Same thing with Euro JPY. There is a resistance here. How can you sell right here while there's a resistance here? So it just goes against our trading plan and our trading rules. That's why we're not going to take this trade. But as far as the bias and as far as the direction goes, I do believe prices on Euro JPY and CAD JPY will keep on selling. Same thing with JPYX, prices will keep on buying. So I'm just not taking the trade because it goes against my trading plan and rules. Now, back to DXY. Prices yesterday took off like insane. The trades that we were holding, Euro JPY, prices did go all the way until take profit. For us, we did close while prices were somewhere here at 0.55 hour. I felt like it was enough. And as you can see here, after it closed, prices started ranging. So I was like, okay, but then they hit take profit. So we just left out on the table about 1 point something hour. We secured the whole 5 hour. So it was a beautiful, beautiful move. I hope you guys caught it. And on GU, prices also did, go all the way until take profit before starting to reverse. So you can actually even see our pinpoint take profits where prices actually just reversing after hitting the take profits. So we actually know where prices are actually going, or most of the times where prices are most likely heading to. Now, what am I anticipating to see here on DXY is we can see this is the beginning of a bullish trend, undoubtedly. Prices have broken above this descending trend line. Now, what I'm anticipating to see is for prices to just give me a reversal confirmation or a loss in momentum here, on the 0.5 Fibonacci key level where prices are at right now. We have three confluences with us. We have a Fibonacci resistance, a support, excuse me, and the trend line. So I'm anticipating to see prices give us some kind of a indication that prices are going back up, and then we're going to be looking for trades. So with this one, we'll be anticipating to see a move all the way until somewhere here as the first targets, and then the second targets from there should prices break above, pump all the way until somewhere there. How will this be reflecting on other currency pairs? Obviously USD JPY right now acting crazy because because DXY is selling, JPYX is ranging. Obviously it's a combination of DXY and JPYX. So this is selling, that's buying. Obviously this one here, you can see it's selling. So obviously it has more of a combination of both. So once DXY starts buying, you can see here prices are on a resistance, on a support, excuse me. Why am I saying all that? So you can see prices are on a support. Should prices keep on pumping higher, I'm going to take this or anticipate to see prices will be pushing higher. On Euro USD, now we can delete this. It's the past. I never hold on to the past. I'm anticipating to see some kind of a reversal from here. We should throw in a Fibonacci with that. So I'll be anticipating to see a retracement until the 0.5 here. And then from there, I'll be anticipating to see prices, start selling all the way until these being the first targets, these being the second targets, last targets somewhere down here. GU, almost same thing. I'm anticipating to see prices keep on selling. So I'll be expecting to see some kind of a reversal at the 0.5 also, somewhere here. So here I'll be anticipating to see prices start selling, with the first targets being somewhere here, second being here, aligning with this, and then third all the way down here, aligning with those. So that's my view on DXY and how I'm on GBPUSD and how I'm anticipating it to play out. We got gold. We can see prices are also pumping up. So with gold also, I'm bearish biased as usual because it's inversely correlated to the dollar. So from around where it is, I'll be anticipating to see prices start selling until they hit those targets. So that's my view as we're approaching the end of the week. Today is Thursday. Obviously, we just have one more day. So these moves, I believe by tomorrow's at this time, they'll have already been executed. So for those that aren't in the VIP or aren't in our free Telegram group, be sure to be following them up by your own. If you want to be getting more updates, join our free Telegram group that's linked in the description below. And with that being said, guys, I hope you have a great trading day. Let's see how prices play out. Till next time, guys, appreciate you all. Cheers.